Assalamualaikum students. There was request by some of the students about the concept of bromination. So I will explain this concept to all of you. मैं ट्राई करती हूँ कि इसको सिंपल वर्ड्स में आपको बताऊँ, so it will easy for all of you to pick its main concept. Okay, and kindly like, subscribe my video. Let's start with our topic, that is bromination. How bromination is carried out in one propene. So this is the double bond. As in my previous videos I have told that there are two carbon atom, and across two carbon atom there is double bond present, and one of the bromine will get attached with this carbon atom and another bromine will get attached over this carbon atom. Here Marconic rules will not be applied, as because it is symmetrical molecule, therefore there is no need to apply the Marconic rule. Marconic rule is for unsymmetrical reagent addition across double bond. So let's start its mechanism. Some of the students get worried about that this is the compound having not any polarity over it, so how it can be added across this double bond. Basically what would happen that in the alkene, during the process, this bromine molecule will come near to this alkene molecule. As you know, here the electron density is very high, so this high electron density will create the polarity over this compound. Because of attraction, this particular will carry the positive charge, particular atom will carry the positive charge, and this will carry the negative charge. Okay, there is electrons and there are also the bonding electron. There will be the sort of repulsion among them, and because of repulsion it will the electron density will traverse towards this atom. Okay, so it will carry the positive charge and it will become partial negative. Now this double bond will attack over this particular bromine and these electron pair will shift over this bromine. It will result in the formation of CH3, CH single bond, CH2 bromine over here, and here as you know that bromine belongs to 7A group, and after become involved over here, the electron pair will attack over this carbon atom. Okay, here is bromide present. So in the next step what would happen, CH3 CH single bond CH2, here is bromine, and whenever this bromine will share its electron pair to form bond between bromine and carbon, it would create the positive charge over this bromine, and it is known as bromonium ion. Bromonium ion. Okay, in the next step we will follow the next step, and I am going to write next step over here. One step, second step and third step. In the third step, this bromonium ion will be attacked by bromide ion. Okay, bromide ion. Whenever there is negative charge over the bromine, it is known as bromide. Okay, now it can attack at this carbon atom, then this bond will move towards this mean. This bromine will get attached with this carbon atom and this bromide will get attached with this carbon atom. Or in another situation, it's on you. Okay, that if bromine is attacking over this carbon atom, then this bond will shift over here. In both of these cases your product is the same. So I am going to remove two of these arrows, as it will become easy for all of you, otherwise you will be confused. Okay, we will follow it like this over here. So it will result, one of the bromine is attached with this carbon atom and second bromide will attach at this carbon atom. So it would be considered as 1,2-dibromoethane, propane. So this is the way, that is the mechanism of bromination. Hope this is clear to all of you. and kindly give me your comments and your response in comments. So it will satisfy me, or it will help me to make more videos on different concepts. Thank you.